everyone, welcome back to another video of Arcade Lab Solution in which we will be solving Arcade Level 1 labs. First, our lab is App Engine Quick Start PHP. As we have already started the lab, now we will open it in incognito window. Now just click on I agree and continue. Now we will come here to task 1. First, we have to enable the App Engine Admin API. So first we will copy the text from here and then we will paste it here in the search bar. Now, as you can see, the API is already enabled, so we don't have to do anything. We can just go on with another task. And the task 2 is to run this git clone command in the command shell. So we will open the command shell from here. Continue and authorize. Cloud share is opened successfully, so we will come back to this and we will copy the git clone command and we will run here after pasting. After this command is completed, we will go on and run this command to change the directory. After this, we will come to the task 3, deploy our app, and we will just copy and paste this to deploy our app. Now, before proceeding, you have to check which region you have to put, and for my lab, it is US1. For your lab, it could be something else. So pay attention to that. Now, US West 1 is at 3, so I will enter 3. Now, we will just have to wait for it to complete. After this interface comes, you have to come back here again. And as you can see, the third step says we have to enter Y when we are prompted. So enter capital Y. As you can see, the command is running and we are just waiting for operation to complete. And the command is successfully completed as you can see. So now we will proceed to the next step to view our application. To launch it, we will use this command gcloud app browse. Alright, it's saying didn't detect the browser. So we have to click the link to view the application. So clicking on this link, and here it is, a simple app. Now we will check our progress. Now the lab is completed and you can end it. By the way, the quiz answer is this. All right. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe if you liked. Thank you. Rate it 5 stars, by the way.